Good evening, folks. Just saw a really interesting story in The Guardian, which is a UK-based newspaper. And interestingly, it's a good news story about drones for once. Basically, the NHS, which is the National Health Service in the UK, basically our national public medical service, are using drones to transport COVID-19 or coronavirus blood tests between hospitals in the southeast of England, in London, Essex, which is really, really good. These tests need to get to the hospital as quickly as possible to make sure that the samples are fresh and that the results are as accurate as they possibly be. And I think that's really, really good news. Now, the interesting thing as well is that they're doing this via a $1.8 million grant from the UK Space Agency, interestingly. Felt like I went into a little bit of a Dr. Evil there. 1.8 million. If you actually look at the article, you can see the actual aircraft they're using, and these things are incredible. You kind of get an idea of where that $1.8 million has gone. This fleet are incredible. They're not just fixed wing and they're not just quadcopters. They're a hybrid of the two. So basically you've got the rotors here, here, here and here, which give it vertical takeoff capability, but it's also got a rotor at the back, which means that once it's actually in the air, it can transition to forward flight via fixed wing, which of course is really, really efficient, far more efficient than a quadcopter, meaning it can fly for long range without using tons of power. Really, really impressive. Interestingly, they do say that they're piloted by an ex-military helicopter or jet instructor, which seems a little bit overkill. I mean, this is just a drone. It's not a massive $1 million helicopter. But hey, good to know that there's a little bit of peace of mind there about who's flying it. They're also designed to fly at about 90 meters above the ground, and they've actually got agreement with the CAA for a dedicated aviation airspace corridor. So in other words, a no-fly zone for manned aircraft to protect these drones that are shuttling these samples back and forth all day, all night. The drone that they're using is also very weatherproofed, which is really interesting. Lovely to see a good news story like that, because this all helps drones. COVID-19, coronavirus, has the attention and the ears of the world. And so how great that drones are helping people to be tested accurately and efficiently by getting these samples to the hospital really, really quickly. So I thought that was a really nice, quick story. There's a link in the video description below if you want to have a quick look at that, have a read about the detail. And also, if you enjoy this kind of story content, hit that subscribe button down there, I think, because this is my live channel and I love being able to bring this stuff to you quick and dirty. Shot, by the way, on my Samsung S10 with a lapel mic connected straight to it. And this content is uploaded straight to YouTube from the mobile phone. So if you've got a YouTube channel out there, or you haven't got one yet and you want to start one, let this be your influence to get it done, because it shows that it's not all about video production and quality. It's about a mobile phone, a microphone, and hopefully some good content. Yeah. Anyway, hope this helps. Comment below, guys. Give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you just are lazy and stupid. Thanks for watching, guys.